Hi there, this is Phillip. The world updates that I will be presenting is discoveries and secrets that exist within and as this world, of which not many human beings are currently aware of. Within this interview, I am discussing the secrets of the forests. Within an island, within the section of the ocean between the Philippines, Taiwan and Japan, there is a facility that was constructed and built, within which animals that have been proclaimed as extinct are being cared for. In other words, there are animals that have been proclaimed as extinct within this world, which human beings believe to be extinct, which is actually not. Within this facility, the exact precise environment of the animals that have been proclaimed as extinct, of each animal that have been proclaimed as being extinct, is being cared for. There are actually any and all sorts of environments designed, constructed and built within and as this entire facility within and underneath an island, and each animal that has been proclaimed as extinct has its own individual section and environment exactly according to the animal's requirements and needs that have been constructed and built within and as this facility within and underneath an island. There are actually forests, desert-like environments, the dry grassland environments, so the man running this facility has built this with his grandfather's and father's fortune that has been passed on to him. He is within close contact of the elite, so the elite are very much aware of this facility. The elite are very much aware of the destructive nature of human beings and the necessity to preserve animals that would and could go extinct eventually was already recognized in the 1600s to 1700s. And the technology that exists within this world, within this reality, is extremely extensively advanced, as an indication of this literal forest, of this actual facility that exists within and underneath this island. And it is so precise, so exact. So, and understand, it's not all extinct animals. There are animals that are extinct and will not return within and as this existence, though what they are actually also experimenting with at the moment is they have actual DNA of animals that have gone extinct they do not have within this facility, that they are experimenting with in re-emerging these animals, that there are animals that human beings at this moment understand that are extinct, that are not extinct, they're actually being preserved within this facility, within this island, within this facility. I repeated facility. And really each and every single of those animals which human beings now understand to be extinct have their own habitat. The weather is being controlled, they've got the precise nature support that they require, the precise food resources that they require, and each are contained within their sections, existing as an animal within nature, though within this world, though within a contained placement within and as this entire facility. And this facility is massive, it is huge. Probably asking how are they able to survive underneath within an island. Technology, air supply, specific weather conditions. It's a literal world underneath an island, but a very small world for these animals that have gone extinct within this reality as understood by human beings. So this man had done this out of his own initiative, together with the assistance and support from the Illuminati, to preserve the animal kingdom and to preserve what has always been here naturally within and as this world that human beings are slowly but surely destroying and consuming. So take into consideration, human beings, to not consume. Have all that you require only, and that is it. You do not need more. The I need this or I need that, which is more of what you already have, which is sufficient, is consumerism. Alright, thank you very much. This is Phillip.